Now to start with the match function, as we've already said, it is going to check whether at the beginning of the string the specified pattern is available or not. Now the syntax is we are calling this match function. First argument is the pattern and this is the string. So this pattern is something which I'm going to search in this particular string. Is it available or not? Now, but it has to be at the beginning. So this pattern must be present at the beginning of the string. So if it is present, then only the match object will return. Otherwise, it is going to return none object. Now let's see this example. So first of all, as we said, we are going to import the RE module, without which we cannot use any of the special functions. Now here I have taken one text variable holding hello world. Now here we are going to call this match function, where I am just writing the pattern. That is, the pattern is nothing but hello, and followed by the text. Text is nothing but the string which is holding hello world. So I'm just finding out whether the pattern hello, is it present at the beginning of this particular string or not. So as I can see, it is available at the beginning. So hence this is finding a match. Hence this result is not going to be none. So this is going to be returning a match object. And using this object, we are making a call to a function that is called group function, which is going to find out which particular pattern has been matched. So the entire set of characters is going to be retrieved by this. So in our example here, because the pattern that I'm searching is holding this sequence of characters hello, so hence we will be getting an output like match found followed by the string or the pattern that I'm finding here. So in case we are going to change this, let's say small h, capital H to small h, so then this is not going to match because there is a case sensitivity. So uppercase h and lowercase h are not going to match. In that case, the match is going to return none. So in that case, what will happen? This result is holding none. So hence it is false automatically. So it's going to come to the else part, and I'm going to get the message like no match.